let me show you one other way that you could have actually approached this problem, because there's multiple ways to approach any problem in Photoshop. And the other way to approach this problem would be to look at the duck and to approximate where this sand dune is, create an active region right here, press delete, which deletes everything inside of the active region, and then deselect. And you'll notice, okay, you're running into a problem right here that you weren't exactly right. So let's go back in the history to here and say, okay, no, I'm going to actually do a good job with this lasso tool. And in order to do that, I'm going to decrease the opacity of the duck, create this here. Let's create this little active region exactly where we want it. Make it so the opacity is up again. See what I did right there? Fancy schmancy. Press delete. Nothing's happening. Why is nothing happening? Are we on the wrong layer? No, we're on the right layer, although it looks like opacity is here. I'm just going to select right here, press delete. And now we have a problem, and that problem is there's still a little bit of a blue line right there. So let's move the duck down a little bit. I went to the move tool, nudge it down, and you can see that even though this solved the problem, it is significantly less flexible. I can't move the duck up and down. It's just a far less elegant solution. And this happens a lot in Photoshop. There's multiple ways to get it looking like this. However, one of them makes it so there's a layer on its own that looks like this, and there's really not a lot of customizability. And the other one, here, let's go back in our history. Here we go. And the other one has all sorts of flexibility, and it's just a much more elegant solution, leaving us with a background layer that looks like that, a full duck that's movable, and a layer on top of that that looks like this. All right, so that's the lasso tool right there. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can do far more advanced options with the wand tool because, frankly, a completely white background isn't a very realistic example.